Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I received a package, apparently for my belated birthday. So I had no idea this was coming, and I'm super excited to open this box with you guys and see what's inside. I have a couple ideas, but you know, you try not to get ahead of yourself. So first I want to tell you, I'm drinking coconut water today. And in my coconut water, I am taking some beautiful fresh sage and I'm plopping it right in there. So that's what I do with any of my beverages. I like to add some herbs into them, and sage is a great one for our memory, for our concentration, so our overall brain health, our digestion, our blood sugar, our cholesterol. It's a doozy, I tell you. I'm putting out a new video on that tomorrow, so I hope you guys will be around for that. Now, I was thinking about waiting to premiere this video, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a premiere or if I'm just going to post it, so we'll see. We'll see what's in the box, right? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So delicious, you guys. All right, here we go. So this is one of my favorite pocket knives that I like to carry. I don't know if you guys have pocket knives or if you carry knives or whatever, but it's a very nice knife to have. It's a good size. Fits my hand. It has the glass breaker on the end of it, so it's super handy. And I'm sure it'll open this box for me. Okay, let's get you down here a little bit. And let's find out what's inside this box. Now, my birthday was August 2nd. So this is very late. And I had no idea that I would be getting another gift. So we're going to see what's in this box together. There we go. Oh, it's brown paper. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Galaxy S25 Ultra. So my phone right now that I'm using is a Galaxy 8. I've had it for many years. Oh, there's more safety. I've had it for many years, and it's been very good to me. This is exciting. I have no idea what to expect. Oh, I have to rip it. Look at that. They have little rippy things on here. Little arrows. I just had to take my glasses off to see them. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Ooh. Oh, look at all the cameras on there, you guys. I might be able to show you the eagles now, if I can get it out of the box. Oh, here's another little tab thingy. Oh, I guess this is the protective coating. Shall we? Wow. I think I should get a protective case for this. It somehow feels like it's probably, like I might break it easily. So now, do I just turn it on? Do I just turn it on? I'm trying to turn it on. Maybe I have to charge it. Oh, it's turning on. So, I'm hoping it came with a cord of some sort. A charging cord. Here we go. Now let's see how short it is. Oh, look, there's a little tool in the packaging. And there's the cord. Okay. There's no little clippy thing on this. Okay, hang on here. I cut my thumb right in between my nail and my thumb, and it's so sore. Beautiful. Okay, so it says welcome. Oops. How do you... It says welcome English start. So let's hit start. See what happens. Wow. End user license agreement. Just agree to all is what I'm going to do. It's a big screen, you guys, and it's just so vibrant. Oh, it already knows to set up to my Wi-Fi. So that's my primary one. No, I don't need that. How do I go back? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. So skip. Wi-Fi is required. Okay. I don't know what my password is. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of this another time. But what do you guys think? Has anyone got this phone? Can you tell me any tips and tricks about it? I think it's going to be like that that song, A Whole New World. Because, like I said, mine, the one I'm recording on right now, is an 08. It's been through the ringer. I'm very, very hard on my devices, which is why I'm a little leery about this. This looks, oops, and it's very slippery. So I'm going to have to get a case for it right away and protection for this huge screen. It's quite a bit bigger than my other phone, so this will be interesting. So hopefully now my video quality will increase and you guys will see more. I apparently will be able to do a lot of my, sorry about the traffic noise. Apparently I will be able to do a lot of my, oops, my editing and whatnot on this device without having to go back and forth to my laptop. So I'm super excited about that. I have a lot to learn. Thanks for coming by my channel and seeing my belated birthday present. And it is a, what did I say again? A Galaxy S25 Pro. Now, apparently, the camera on this thing is crazy. I was looking at this. It's ironic that I'm holding one in my hand right now because I was looking at it online, the different reviews, and it was saying that the camera is so amazing on this thing that you can zoom right into the moon and see the craters. I don't know about that, but it'll be better than what I have. And it has storage. This particular phone has a lot of storage in it, so that's going to make it easier with my videos. What I have been doing up until this point was I do my video, I record it, then I post it to my YouTube, and then I go back to my phone and I delete it because it has no memory on it, right? So I can't, and I haven't stored, I think I stored maybe four videos at the very beginning when my son was helping me do editing. So with those videos that he did, I'm going to try to get him to redo them, like maybe put different music or different captions or shorten it or something, and then repost it because my older videos aren't getting many views, and as you know, everything goes on top and you lose your hours after 365, and I'm on year 2, and a lot of these videos that I actually did that were really good and that got a lot of views are coming to their year's end. So look for new posts coming out on old videos. I will try to make it clear that it is an old video, and maybe see if you guys like the old version or the new version. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm super excited about this phone, and especially in regards to my channel and the quality of my videos. Now when I see eagles in the sky, I will be able to show you guys, and that is amazing. So I thank you so much for coming on my channel. Have a super duper day, and I bless you. Bye bye.